The important question in probability is state and prove addition theorem. In this one, we have to write the statement first. Statement. If E1, E2 are any two events of a random experiment, if E1, E2 are any two events of a random experiment, if E1, E2 are any two events of a random experiment, this is, and P is probability function. P is probability function, then probability of E1 union E2 is equal to probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus probability of E1 intersection E2. This is the statement. For the proof, what we have to do is here, what is given us? Two events are given us. E1 and E2 are given us, and P is the probability function. We know about the probability function. Probability function has have three axioms that you keep in your mind. We have to use that three axioms in the proof. What are those? I will write here. For the rough work, I am writing here. Probability of E, suppose probability function is the any event, then probability of E is always greater than or equal to 0, and probability of sample space is equal to 1, and probability of E1 union E2 is equal to probability of E1 plus probability of E2, and another one is if E1 is a subset of E2, or E1 is subset, or E subset of S, or E1 is subset of E2, then probability of E1 is less than probability of E2. If suppose equal symbol, here also we will take. This we need, this base we need to solve the this theorem. Here you take that E1 is the one event. Here we have to take E1 is the one event here, and E2 is the another event. Suppose in that first case E1, E2, they they are separate events. That means they don't have any common uh, outcome. So E1 is different and E2 is different. This is the case 1. If E1, E2 are different, then how to prove is the case 1. Here this is the case 1. In this one, to prove this E1 and E2, we take the set concept. Here from this one, we have to write case 1 is E1 intersection E2 is equal to null set. Then what happens is that intersection of happening of both is the probability of happening of both. Probability of E1 intersection E2 is equal to probability of null set means here nothing. That means 0. So we apply this one. That is given in the problem is P is the probability function, since P is probability function. So According to the third axiom, you see, according to the third axiom, what is that here? Probability of uh, probability of E1 union E2 is equal to probability of E1 plus probability of E2, because P is probability function. You apply this here, what we have again, we apply this one, probability of E1 union E2 is equal to probability of E1 plus probability of E2. But you add or subtract the zero, nothing to be happen. So suppose you have to take the zero here, then probability of E1 plus probability of E2, here you see minus, in the place of 0 you have to substitute probability of E1 intersection E2, because the two are separate events. E1 and E2 are separate events. It satisfies the addition theorem. This is the case 1. And now we discuss the case 2. This what is that case 2? E1 intersection E2 is not equal to null set. That is, you draw the diagram. If you understand the diagram, then the theorem is very easy to prove. Here we have to take the two sets, that is E1 and another one is E2. That is E1 and another one is E2. And this is the common for the E1 and E2. This is common for the E1 and E2. This represents the E1 intersection E2 here, and the place here you see, this is just only E2 here, only E2. This one is how to take this one. If E2 minus, from total E2 we have to subtract the E1, or E2 minus E1 intersection E2, or, and again third place, this is E2 only, this is, green color is E2 only, and we have to take the another one is E1 only. Here this blue color represents the E1 only. This is E1 only, and this one is E1 intersection E2. This one is E1 intersection E2. Now we take E1 union E2 from the sets concept. We have to take from the sets concept. We have to take E1 union E2. How to write? E1 means total E1 we have to take, that is E1, and union E2 means, here you see E2 only. How you write that one? This E2, this green part only. E1 means blue and red part is the E1. Union means you have to take all these. That is, I will write here. Union means here this is the E1 and this is the E2. Union means you take total. This is E1 union E2. E1 means up to this I taken. Up to that is up to where I have taken here. Up to this I have taken up to this even. Remaining part, what we need here is this part only we need. This part only. That how to write? We suppose E1. This is from the E2. We delete the E1. We have that part. E2 only means what? E2 minus E1. Now apply probability for both sides. Now apply probability both sides. Probability of E1 union E2 is equal to probability of E1 union E2 minus E1. Probability of E1 union E2 minus E1. Here, then again we repeat the probability function. Union means probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus E1 because P is the probability function. So union becomes as a plus according to the third axiom. You see this one. Probability of E1 union becomes as a plus third axiom of the probability function. So this union we can write as the plus probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus E1. This part probability of E2 minus E1, how to write here? From the E2 we have to subtract the E1. The part we can, this step is important. If you understand that this step, the theorem is easy. Probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus E1 means this part. So from the probability of this green part, E2 minus E1 green part, it can be write as E2 minus E1 intersection E2. If you understand this step, the theorem is very easy. Since E2 minus E1 is equal to E2 only, the meaning of this one is also E2 only. That is the reason we write this into like this. Then automatically we have probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus probability of E1 intersection E2. In the case 2 also we proved probability of E1 plus probability of E2 minus probability of E1 intersection E2. So therefore probability of E1 union E2 is equal to, we declare that E1 plus probability of E2 minus probability of E1 intersection E2. Then proved. Thank you.